Hello, everybody, and welcome to Max Tutorials. We are going to work on how to solve inequalities. An inequality just means we're dealing with greater than and less than signs, or of course, equal signs. Before we go any further, I just want to remind you guys that this can all be found at maxtutorials.com. Go to that website to find help on anything you need algebra related. I got a whole unit there. Go check out the videos, and I have a video explaining how to do this worksheet. Please like and subscribe these videos. It keeps me being able to do these for you. All right, so let's go. I'm going to go just down this column. Here's the big thing that you need to know about this. Some of you have probably already got ahead of me, and you know that there are situations where you flip the sign from greater than or less than and all that. That's fine. None of these problems are going to do that. Okay, I want you to get really used to the fact that there's a lot you can do without flipping the signs. Okay, so for example, on this one, I'm going to go -8, -8. Do you flip the sign? The answer is no, you absolutely don't. You just solve this like a normal problem. That's just a one-step solution right there. All you do on these problems is just treat them as if it's an equal sign, and you're just going to copy it down. Okay, these are done. Those are finished. That's all you do. So wait, what's the difference between these and just solving problems with an equal sign? The answer is there is no difference. They're the same. There is a situation where we are going to flip the sign, and we'll get to that. But if you notice, I'm just solving problems. Just get used to solving problems. -4, -4. Oh, I see a negative sign. Am I supposed to flip? No. Just keep going. It's all good. Okay. Oh, got to do another problem here. I'm going to divide. Oh, you're dividing. Do you flip? No. You just do them. Just treat them like this. Don't worry about it. There's one very specific situation where you do flip it, and it's on nothing on here. I'm going to tell you right now. All I'm doing is solving problems. Okay, if you need help on how to solve these, if you go to Unit 2 on Max Tutorials, I have, whoa, what was that? I have a whole section on how to solve equations. There's one-step problems, two-step problems. This is a reminder of this one. This is x divided by 3. That's a multiplication sign I just did there because it's a little hard with the number sign. You multiply everything by what's on the bottom, they just cancel out. X is greater than or equal to 12. Well, I just multiplied. I flipped then, don't I? Nope. You just solve. It's all good. Okay. So we're just solving problems, just enjoying solving problems. I'm going to multiply each of these by 2, and I'm going to get x equals 18. Okay. So you may ask yourself, well, so if you know on the flip, why are we doing this? Well, I just want you to get used to how to do these. That's all. Okay. Two-step equation. Have some fun solving these. I'll tell you right now that when you do flip, you flip only on multiplication and division. Addition, subtraction, you never flip. So here I'm adding numbers. That's fine, but I'm not doing any multiplying or dividing. So as long as you're multiplying and dividing, you're just solving these problems like they're just normal everyday equations. You're just bringing down the greater or less than sign. Okay, well, I'm subtracting. So I thought that something had to do with a minus sign. I remember my teacher saying something about a negative and you flip a sign. That's correct, but only with multiplication and division. With subtraction, you could add and subtract all day long, and it doesn't change a thing. You just keep it going. Don't worry about it. So if you ask yourself, did I add? Did I subtract? The answer is you don't flip. You don't do anything. I'm dividing. So you said, it only happened when you multiply and divide. Yeah, but only by a negative number. If you notice, I haven't multiplied or divided by a negative number yet. Now on here, remember on stuff like this, you have to get the x value by itself. So I'm going to subtract 1. Again, we can add and subtract all we want without changing things. It's fine. Okay, now I'm going to multiply each side by 4. I'm going to get x is less than 20. I'm going to go on to this. I'm going to add 16. That's a negative sign. Doesn't matter. You can add and subtract all you want. And then when I divide each side by 8, I'm just going to get x equals 7. And there you go. That's a unit. There's an answer key. Here you go. If you notice, it's just like solving equations. Again, if that was hard to do, I want you to go back to chapter 2, where I explain how to solve problems, because I did do that pretty quickly. And so I slow it down there and make it a little bit easier for you. The whole point of this, oh, I see a mistake right here. Sorry about that. This should be less than or equal. The point of this is just to show you that greater than and less signs, you just keep them going. All right, guys. Have a good day. See you on the next one.